everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Let me know in the comments. That car was really loud. Let me know in the comments down below. So I hope you guys are all cozy. I'm feeling very autumnal today. I know you guys. So I'm so like in the autumnal cozy spirit at the moment that all of my videos are just around that. And I'm really sorry if it's annoying, but I feel like I'm obsessed at the moment. I'm not obsessed, but I hope you guys don't mind. But I feel really bad because I'm always like autumnal, autumnal, autumnal. And someone commented on my video the other day like, I love you, but you always say autumnal. And I was like, oh, I always do actually. So I'm really sorry if that is annoying, but it's my favourite time. This and Christmas is like my go-to. So I'm very, very, very sorry about that. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some of my fall/autumn favourites. These are all of my favourite beauty products that I have been loving at the moment and I wanted to share with you guys. So if you want to know all the bits and pieces that I have picked out and I've been loving at the moment, then please keep watching. So the first product I have been loving at the moment is this insane perfume. If you followed me for a while, you will know that Paco Rabanne Olympia, the original, which is this one here, this one, oh, it smells so good. It's my go-to scent ever. Every time I smell it, it's just, I've worn it for years, literally years, as soon as it came out, and it's just my favourite scent, and it's just amazing. I love it so much. So this is like my go-to, and then recently they've come out with this one. Oh my god, it's cracked at the bottom. I didn't even realise that. Damn it. Oh, that's really sad. They recently came out with this one, and this is the limited edition one. He was saying your body gets used to it and you can't smell it and your partner can't really smell it anymore because your nose is used to it. So I was like, oh, okay, then that's really interesting. So each week I like to change my fragrances up, and this is just amazing. And I feel like the bottle is very autumnal as well. It's like a deep, like, oh, I don't know, I just love it. I love it. Oh my god, it smells so good. I wanted to share with you guys, or products shall I say, is from one of my favourite brands, Deco Scarlet. Now they have partly collaborated with me on this video today, and I'm just so excited because you guys know I love this brand if you've been around for ages, and I've flown to New York with them. I always mention this, but I feel like I want to explain to you guys that I will only work with brands that I genuinely do love and care about, and I've been to New York with them. I've made my own palette with them, so I'm such a big fan of the brand already. So yeah, basically Deco Scarlet are a monthly subscription brand. So each month you pay $29.95 and you get a parcel which looks like this, and it's completely different each month, so it's like a surprise to yourself each month. You can get a sneak peek though if you kind of want to see what it is, and if you're not a fan of that month you can skip it, but why would you, because it's amazing. So this month I will show you guys what it is. This is the Celestial Nights kit, and a lot of the time they collaborate with influencers on their palettes, so I'm one of them, and it's so nice that they collaborate with influencers as well on each sort of month. So yeah, it's just amazing. I'm obsessed with this brand. So this month's box features 3 insane products. We've got Gold Leaf eyeshadow, Beam Beam highlighter, and the dual-ended lip stain / glaze, which are all so pigmented, so beautiful, and in different lights that they're very iridescent. They sort of change colour, and I really like that. I feel like there's something magical about that, and I love how it's from day to night as well. You've got like the sun with the light bright oranges, and then you've also got the dark sort of moon, but that it's also light and iridescent. It's just so nice. I love the whole kit and the concept of it. So Deco Scarlet is cruelty free, paraben free and vegan, and it is also available in the USA, Canada and the UK, and there's free shipping in the USA. So yeah, I would honestly recommend these products so much. I love how they're so different to other brands. So you've got the dual-ended, oh my god, this is just amazing. You've got the dual-ended lip stain / glaze, and you can see that that's just so beautiful, and things like this are so easy to apply. I feel like when you don't really know a lot about makeup, or you're not too sure what to buy and you hope the quality is good and you don't know if it is or not, products like this are insane because first of all, let me tell you, the quality, you can even tell by the packaging, it's insane. You're paying dead cheap for what you actually get. So I'm literally obsessed. This has definitely got to be my favourite throughout the whole thing. Honestly, it's so smooth, so pigmented. It's just, honestly, it's like, how is this even real? This is like a dream product. So everything is so luxury, and for $29.95 each month, it's just crazy cheap, honestly. For the products you get, it's just, you would spend more money if you went to Sephora or Boots or places like that. that. So it's, oh, look at the green, but then it's very iridescent, so like in different lights it sort of changes colour. I think these are absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed with this kit. Look at that. All of those colours go incredibly together and they're just so iridescent, like different lighting. I just think it's so beautiful, and I love the whole concept about it as well. So I just think they're absolutely stunning. They're so insane. So yeah, if you did want to get your hands on it, then definitely check the description box down below. If you also wanted to get some money off and you are new to Deck of Scarlet, if you use the code MOON, you will get 30% off your first box subscription. So yeah, definitely use my link, definitely use my code as well. It's just such an amazing idea and concept, and I love this. Look at that. Look at this one though. This is definitely got to be my favourite. I'll show you guys up close so you know. Look at that. Oh my god, all of them are so beautiful though. I love them, and each month is just different. It's sort of products that you wouldn't think to try, then you try it and you're like, oh my god, I love that. So yeah, I love them, as you can tell. So I'm sorry for ranting then. I didn't even need to talk that much about it, but I'm so passionate about that brand that I just love it, and it's such a good price for what it is. It's so good. Anyway, so moving on to the next product. This is the Foxy Lock Argan Oil Hydrating Hair Mask. I personally always use hair masks as, I do use them as hair masks, but I also use them as conditioner when I'm in the shower, because I feel like conditioners are lovely, but they're very sort of thin and runny, if that makes sense. I feel like hair masks are a lot thicker and nourishing, and they like stick to my hair, and I love that, and I feel like it's actually doing something. So this hair mask, honestly, it's, first of all, it smells incredible. It's on it, oh my god, I just can't. I've never smelled a hair product like this, but oh my god, it's so nice. Honestly, it's insane. So first of all, it smells incredible, and it makes your hair smell nice for a couple of days later as well, so I love that. It's so, like, if you look at my hair, it is so shiny at the moment, and I washed my hair maybe 3 days ago and the shine is still there. Like, look at that. So it's crazy. The shine is real when you use this, and I feel like when the weathers change, masks and stuff are so important on your hair, and it really does make a difference. So this is a mask that I would just genuinely recommend. I think it's amazing. It smells incredible and it's so good, so I love this. Okay, so the next product I absolutely love is the Bourjois Healthy Mix Foundation. This I've always gone back to. I've used it for a couple of years now, actually since I was in school. So that was years ago, and it's insane. I'll try and show you here. The colour's not really my shade at the moment though, because I'm a little bit darker. I've got a bit more tanned, but it's just a perfect foundation shade, and not shade, it's the perfect foundation for like autumn. Can you see? It's like the perfect coverage foundation, and it just glides on your skin, and it's really buildable as well. I really like the smell of it. I don't know why, is that weird? I love the smell of it, and it also lasts ages, and it's just a foundation. Put my phone aside. It's just a foundation that's affordable, because obviously it's drugstore. I know it works well. It's like the safe option I always go to, and if I've run out of foundation in my shade or anything, I'll go to the drugstore and I think, oh actually I'll just get this one because I know it works really well. And for this time of year it's perfect. For summer I like to wear a foundation that's a little bit more lightweight, but this one is a bit more medium to full coverage, and I love that, and I think it's really buildable as well, and it doesn't go cakey, which is the main thing, and it just blends like a dream. So yeah, I love this one. Okay, so for my skincare, I get asked this question all the time on most of my videos, and I get so many DMs on Instagram and stuff. And this is basically my skin secret that I've been using for years now. And this is the Vanity Planet Skin Spa. So it looks like this. It comes in 3 different colours. I think it's pink, dark. No, it's not dark. I think it's just like a bluey grey, and then also purple. It's just amazing. So there's 2 different settings on it, as you can see with the button here. So you press it twice and it goes a little bit slower and then a little bit faster. You get 3 different heads with it. So you get a silicone head, you get a harder one, and then this one's a little bit softer than the black one, but it's a little bit more harsh on your skin. That's if you've got more acne prone skin. Personally for me, I don't break out as much as I used to when I was younger, so this is just to keep any sort of spots and blemishes and stuff away. It keeps my skin clear, and I know I'm like having a good cleanse when I use this. So yeah, I really like this product, and any cleanser works really well with it, to be honest. I use a mixture of Elemis and then one from Forever Living. I think aloe vera based products are insane, or like plant based products I think work like incredible for your skin, because you know it's natural, and I hate putting things on my face that I don't know, that's not really completely natural. I just don't like that. So I think products like that work really, really, really well. So yeah, this is so good, and it's like my skin secret. If you want to know how to use it properly, I've always used it in my routines. I think I uploaded one on last week, so if you watch the one I uploaded, it's my autumn morning routine. I'll link it for you guys down below as well. I use this in that as well, and it's just so good. But yeah, if you're wondering how to purchase it and where it's from, I will leave a link for it in the description box down below, and I've got a 70% off code for you guys. So if you want to get 70% off, which is insane, yeah, use my code and then the link down below. And look, it's so compact and I love it. I use it every day. I feel like I can't do an autumn favourites video without mentioning this palette, because it just screams autumn. So this is the Naked Heat palette, and I feel like this is just your typical autumnal shades. You've got your burnt sort of oranges, your plum, and then you've got a few shimmers in here as well, and then the lighter shades. I just think it's an all-round amazing palette. As much as it looks the same, I think it is also very versatile, because you can create so many different looks with it, from like day to night, and the shimmers are just so beautiful. So this is definitely, and I think always will be, one of my favourite autumn favourites. So you guys know I am very particular when it comes to my lips. I always wear the same lip liner and lipstick, but recently I filmed a video, and I don't think it's going to go live yet until the end of this month, but a little sneak peek of it. Sorry, there's a lorry, or is that a bus? So I recently found this in my drawer. I've had it for a good few years now, and it is the Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipstick in the shade Blackmail. And I feel like this is the most perfect autumnal, oh my god, it's so beautiful, like plum beautiful. That's a really bad swatch, like the purpley plum shade, and this is ideal for your lips. I'll insert a picture of me wearing it, and it's just insane. I feel like if you want to create that really autumnal look, but you don't want to go too heavy on the eyes, but you want to do like a dramatic lip, this is insane. It's not black, and it is again really buildable, but it's sort of the same colour as my nails. Oh my god, it's identical. Oh wow. But it's just insane. I think it's very autumnal, and I love this, and it stays on your lips all day too, which is great. Okay, so another favourite of mine is the Benefit Hello Happy foundation powder. I always feel like when it gets to like the colder months, I need more coverage on my skin, and I always feel like I need a bit more powder. I feel like I can't do a dewy look on my skin when it's cold. I need as much coverage as possible, and this powder is insane. First of all, it's buildable. I feel like that's my keyword for this video. It's really, really buildable. I use a Sigma brush for it. This is perfect. This is the F10 brush. These two work a dream together. I don't get any creases anywhere. I don't know why. Maybe a month or two ago, I started getting really bad creases here and under my eyes, and I wasn't sure what it was from, but it's just using a certain brush that makes it like that. So swapping to that brush honestly made such a difference. I do find this powder is just insane. At the moment I'm shade 6, but it's because I've had my tan from my holiday, but I've also got shade 5 in here as well, which is obviously a little bit lighter. So when I get a bit more paler and my tan fades, that's when I'll move on to that shade. But honestly, it's such a good powder. I'm such a fan of Benefit makeup, especially their base makeup. I feel like they've nailed it on that, and I can't live without this powder. This is just my favourite ever. I use a different one to set my eyes. I use, what's this one? The Rimmel Stay Matte to set my eyes, just because I feel like it's a little bit lighter than this. But for the rest of my face, like the whole of my face, I'll use this, and honestly I can't use anything else, so I really, really, really recommend this. And then the last product I wanted to show you guys is the Rimmel Instafix and Go. This is 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. Personally, I've always said this on my channel, I'm not the biggest fan of primer sprays. I feel like you have to physically put primer on and fill it in your pores for it to work. I don't really understand how it can prep your skin and set it at the same time. I don't know. So I personally only use this spray for setting, and I bought it when I went to the airport before we went to Turkey, and obviously it's really hot in Turkey, and it literally locked my makeup in place. I feel like if you want to know how good a setting spray is, go somewhere hot, and then you can judge how good it is. So yeah, I really realised that this is such a good setting spray. It smells a bit coconutty as well, which is really nice. It's really refreshing. I'm not gonna lie, you do have to spray it from really far away because it squirts quite quickly. So it's not like a, I don't know how to explain it, like a puff sort of, I don't know the technical term. But the iconic London one you can spray here and it's fine. This one you do have to spray from far away, so that's basically it. But yeah, it's really good. It locks in makeup, quick dry, oil free, and yeah, it's really good. So I really like this one. So everyone, I will leave all of the links down below to all the products that I've shown you guys today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've had so much fun filming it for you guys. I will of course leave especially Deck of Scarlet's link, and also use the code MOON, which I'll put all info in the description box down below in case you forget. But I'll leave a link and the code MOON in the description box as well if you want to get your first month for the 30% off of Deck of Scarlet. I honestly really recommend that brand. It's just such a good quality brand. As you can see, the line is like quite hard to get off, which in a way is actually a really good thing because it's so good. Let me know if you guys do order it and tag me in on your Instagram. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!